Your brain is doing more work than you think. Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to kind of be talking about another variation of kind of why programming is so hard. So let's kind of dive into it. So when you're first learning to program and you're trying to type out all these instructions, be very careful that you're not commingling while you're writing the instructions while you're trying to figure out what the rules are. So what do I mean by that? So all right, in one of our last challenges that we did, and I did this I think in last video actually. So when I was first designing this, I was looking and I said, well, wait a second. All right, so I'm going to come here, and we had to find the longest substring without consecutive letters. So what I mean by your brain is doing more than you think it is making a decision for you very quickly. Well, when you're programming, you don't have that option. You have to cover all decision-making processes. So instead of trying to program this while you're figuring it out, make sure that you have all of the rules and all of the decision points literally drawn out. I have a dry erase board that when I get stuck on something, sometimes it's even a flowchart where I go, okay, if this happens, what do I do? Where's my branch? So there are two distinct paths here. So if there's more than one, and you also then get into the type of decisions. Is it an if? Is it an elif? Do I just use the else? Those all come with time and experience. But if you can't thoroughly explain this to a 5-year-old of why I got to this M and then I stopped and I jumped all the way over to this other M, if you cannot articulate that in very clear English, you're going to have a very challenging time trying to write those instructions in Python. So when you're struggling with writing a piece of Python code, what the sticky point probably is your human brain decision is the challenging sticky point. Don't get frustrated. Don't lean into I need to solve this how I'm doing this. Go backwards. You need to be leaning into the simple instructions with your human brain and how am I making these decisions to then follow these instructions. So it's a decision, because with our human brain, like I said, our brain is doing more. Not only is it making a decision, but then it's doing an action. That's when you need to pause and separate those two. And if you begin to practice that, programming will come easier, I promise. So just be aware that you're so used to being a human, you have to reprogram the way that you think. So just wanted to share this today. This is one of the other topics that has come up during our live streams. So if you've not joined the Discord server, some of the discussions happen over there. But as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of these videos. And as always, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.